the tornado. Okay, kids, the movie's over. It's time to go to bed. Okay, good night. Good night. Good night, kids. Don't forget to, say good night to your little sister, to your baby sister. Good night. Good night, sis. Good night. You say good night to your cat and dog, too. Good night. Oops. Sorry. Sorry. Good night. Good night. Good night, little doggy. Listen, you did not put your pajamas on like me last time. So, put your pajamas on right now. Okay, we will. Just go play in my piece a little bit. And I gotta go sleep. Got it. Ember sweep. Gotta get Max and over to sweep. Oops. Oops. No. Gotta get. Oops. Oops. I'll go check the kids if they're asleep or not. Yeah, they're on their PC for a little bit, I think. Oops. Oops. What? Oops. Good. And sweep. Hey, Jaden, I saw your game. Now, good night, and good night, Mom. Hey, Jaden, I saw your game. Now, turn your PC off. Turn your hard drive and your PC off, and good night. And go to bed. Mom, can I please finish this Blox Fruits game? Let me fix this. No, good night. I've already told your sister Ann that. Good night. Fine. Okay. Turn off your gaming lights. Fine. Let me think about this. Whoa! It's. Wait a minute. Why is my. So glitchy. Whoa! It's raining so hard! Hey, honey, wanna watch the news? Sure. Oops. Gotta put Ember's wrap up. Breaking news. There will be a storm coming. Be careful of your surroundings and fan. Stay indoors and fan. There will be a tornado in 1 minute. In 10 seconds. And oops. Stay safe, guys. Mom, what was that? It's nothing. Oops. there's a tornado. We need to go to the basement. Gotta pick Kari up. I mean Ambry up. Oh no! Hurry! Hurry! Hurry up! We're going to. Oh no! Oh no! Gotta pick them up. Gotta pick the pets up. Oops, we forgot to cross the corner. Where is it? Ah! Oh no! God, hurry! There's a tornado! Mom, what was that? There's a tornado. We need to go to the basement. Okay, fine. Oops. Oh no, I forgot we don't have a basement in our house. We need to go to the bathroom. Mom, I need my phone. I mean, Dad, I need my phone. Don't worry about your phone, Ryan. I mean, Shaden. And please don't get out of the bathroom. But Dad, I'm in my phone. Don't worry about your phone. Now, still get out of the bathroom and do what I said. Fine. Mommy, I'm scared. Oops. Come on. Give Mommy. Everyone screams in pain. Mommy, I'm scared. Don't be scared. Do you want to go to Anne? Don't be scared. Ambery, do you want your pacifier and go to Anne? Sure. Okay. And please take care of her, okay? Okay. Ten minutes later after the tornado passed. Okay, guys, stop screaming. Let me get your pacifier back. Oh no. The tornado has passed, though. Okay, and please check outside. Okay. Here's Ambery back, Dad. Thank you. You're welcome. I'll go check outside. Oh no! Our neighbors' houses were damaged. Many houses were damaged, and even our neighbor's house, even our neighbor's house is damaged. Come on. And even our car is damaged. That way we have to walk it on the street. Everyone look outside. What is it, Anne? Oh, all the many houses were damaged. Even our neighbor's house and our car is damaged. I hope our neighbors are okay. The neighbor comes. Sorry. Sorry, guys, but our our house was damaged by the tornado. Mom, I'm so sorry for worrying about my phone instead of y'all. It's okay, Daniel. It's okay, Shaden, but tomorrow you're going to do a lesson. What's going, but make sure to worry about our parents next time. So, let's all get some sleep. The neighbor's weave. Oops. Go get Embry's pacifier. Okay. Clock it. Embry to sweep. Again. They all went to get some sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment. See you next time. Bye.